Its name might make you confused, not as much if you are a native English speaker, but most probably otherwise. A common mistake might be to confuse the Via Ferrata set with the Via Ferrata kit or the Via Ferrata system. The Via Ferrata kit is usually representing the climbing harness, the Via Ferrata set, and the helmet all together. The Via Ferrata system is what you choose to use additionally to the Via Ferrata kit. It might be a resting system, a chest harness to complement the climbing harness, or any other specialized device or system meant to aiding you while climbing a Via Ferrata. The Via Ferrata set is what connects you and your harness to the safety steel cable of a Via Ferrata. It has a tie-in loop used to connect to your harness, the shock absorber, purposed to absorb the shock in case you fall, and the elasticated arms with Via Ferrata carabiners that you use to connect and always stay connected to the safety steel cable of the Via Ferrata. What makes the Via Ferrata set essential to climbing a Via Ferrata, and in general a specialized protective equipment item, is the shock absorber and the two elasticated arms with their Via Ferrata carabiners. If used properly, the two elasticated arms with their Via Ferrata carabiners serve the purpose of always keeping you connected to the Via Ferrata safety steel cable while advancing. The shock absorber has the role of giving elasticity to the braking process of a fall in case that happens. Unfortunately, the shock absorber of a Via Ferrata set cannot protect you of the artificial climbing aids or the rock face you might hit during a potential fall. The only thing the shock absorber of a Via Ferrata set can do is to try reducing to a minimum the potential life-threatening injuries correlated to the forces generated by the braking process of an eventual fall.